welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma.
And I am Shikha Singh.
Virtual digital assets have staged partial recovery in the past 24 hours, battling with the unsupportive external forces such as higher for longer interest rates and brewing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East.
This relatively new asset class has also to confront with dwindling risk appetite, which currently favors gold, and the drop in net inflow for spot Bitcoin ETFs, the harbinger of bull rally in cryptocurrencies.
One event that is also causing the adrenal rush among crypto traders is Bitcoin halving, which will impact the top coin's long-term supply. Tighter supply would mean a rise in price. Well, the expectations are building slowly and surely, which is reflected in trading volume.
The volume of Bitcoins managed by Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has reduced by almost 50% since its conversion to a spot ETF.
Yes, and unlike other issuers such as BlackRock or Fidelity, Grayscale's investment vehicle launched on the New York Stock Exchange with approximately 619,220 BTC. As of April 16th, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust had just 311,621 BTC at its disposal.
Given the current geopolitical scenario, as expected, the gold has an upper hand, benefiting from yellow metals rally. Is Pax Gold, a gold-backed digital asset created by Paxos. Its price surged to $2,923 on 14th April 2024, trading at a 20% premium over the previous session. It is currently quoting at $2,410.
PaxG is now the second largest tokenized gold coin in the world, with a market valuation of nearly $446 million.
Now let's move away from the material world to the virtual world, the Metaverse. The segment is taking a big stride in the industrial Metaverse.
As per the recent report published by the World Economic Forum, the industrial Metaverse is projected to be a $100 billion market globally by 2030.
To make sure India is not left behind in the global Metaverse race, India's first Metaverse Experience Center, also known as MEC, has been established in Noida by Indian Metaverse research and advisory firm Metaverse 911.
The Metaverse Experience Center will let visitors indulge in immersive technologies that include augmented reality and virtual reality, all of which make for key components that bring the digital ecosystem to life in the Metaverse.
This center is also being projected as a hotspot for dialogue and research around Metaverse technologies. The center's website also reveals that it offers access to popular devices such as Apple Vision Pro, Oculus Quest 2 and 3, and the HTC Vive Focus 5K, Vuzix Smart Glasses, Pico VR headset, Microsoft HoloLens, as well as high-end simulators.
The firm plans to replicate this center in other Indian cities as well as in Dubai and Singapore in the future.
From the Indian Metaverse Initiative, let's move on to a global update about the Metaverse. Social media giant Meta is bringing its enterprise-level Quest services to the education sector.
Students as young as 13 years old could take a trip to ancient Rome or to the Metropolitan Museum of Art from a classroom in the Midwest, according to the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, as it prepares to launch its new educational product.
The technology, which has yet to be named, would allow teachers to program and manage multiple student headsets at once and give them access to education apps on the company's Quest devices.
Now is the time to dwell over non-fungible token segment, and there are few developments worth taking a look at. Magic Eden tops Blur in the NFT market with $756 million March volume. Solana-based NFT marketplace Magic Eden achieved its highest monthly trading volume in March, surpassing Blur.
So, according to a CoinGecko's Q1 2024 report, Magic Eden's NFT trading volume soared 194% to $756 million, while Blur slightly rose to $530 million.
The surge was fueled by Magic Eden's new Diamond Reward program and ongoing collaboration with Yuga Labs. This marked the 6th consecutive month of volume growth for Magic Eden.
StepN is partnering with Adidas on a collection of non-fungible token sneakers. The Move to Earn platform that gamifies wellness has teamed up with global sports brand on a limited collection of generative NFT sneakers inspired by Adidas's most famous running silhouettes.
The 1000 StepN Adidas Genesis sneakers are co-branded with StepN's lightning bolt logo and Adidas 3 stripes and minted on the Solana blockchain, and each one is unique.
The drop is the first step in a year-long partnership between the two brands, which will include physical items as well as further digital products. Now let's get a sense of the overall NFT's performance from Mr. Dhrupad Das.
the NFT marketplace has become a very interesting place. The first reason for this is the greater rise in the entire cryptocurrency and digital asset ecosystem. So values have increased. There's a lot of retail interest that has come into the space along with the institutional interest. So both are going hand in hand. The second thing is that the access to NFTs has become a lot easier. People can enter this market much more conveniently and in a more peaceful manner than they could earlier, and you do not require the same level of technical skills that you required, let's say, in 2021. Immediately, if you look at what's happening in the markets in the last couple of weeks, especially the last week, we are definitely seeing a industry-wide global drawdown. The only asset class that seems to be doing well is gold, which is usually a hedge against uncertain times. And the uncertainty in the present scenario is probably coming from the unrest in the Middle East. The Iranian attack on Israel was one of the triggers that has led to a drawdown in all markets. Nifty in India, the crypto markets, Bitcoin, Nasdaq, everything has come down. Gold though is still rising. So those are indications that one should keep in mind. And so interesting times. Let's see where this flows, what the next steps are, and waiting and watching.
After NFTs, are you game for the gaming update? Let's do a quick roundup. India has one of the largest Web3 ecosystems globally with over 1,000 startups and 12% of global Web3 developers.
According to Hashed Emergent Web3 venture capital firm's recent report, India's share of the global pool of Web3 developers has increased from 3% in 2018 to 12% in 2023. A survey of Web3 gamers in the report found that 90% play games to gain NFTs and tokens.
We have witnessed a shift in the Web3 gaming landscape. Web2 giants are entering the Web3 gaming ecosystem. For instance, India-based listed company Nazara Technologies has acquired an 8.5% stake in Web3 gaming platform Circle of Games for $500,000, which is approximately 417 crore rupees.
Wow, the investment is a part of a larger $1 million funding round that saw participation from Swiss non-profit organization the Hashgraph Association. Nazara's Dubai-based subsidiary acquired 1,273 Class A1 preferred shares of COG Holdings Global Limited, the parent company of Circle of Games.
We don't want to miss one of the happening technologies from the Web3 ecospace, the blockchain segment. Talking about blockchain, we can't avoid talking about Sam Altman's WorldCoin project.
Sam Altman's WorldCoin, co-founded by the CEO of OpenAI, announced on April 17th that WorldCoin introduced its new human-centered blockchain called WorldChain, which will be built on Optimism's superchain.
This initiative comes amid the continuous growth of the WorldCoin community, causing developers to build an independent chain.
Right. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu is also teaming up with the Content Delivery and Security Association to address AI-driven content challenges through Shibarium.
This partnership represents a significant milestone for the blockchain industry, as Shibarium becomes the first layer 2 blockchain to join forces with the prominent media and entertainment association like CDSA, a global non-profit organization established in 1970 to set Indian industry standards for storing and delivering entertainment. The organization's primary focus is ensuring content security, authenticity, and protection.
CDS's members encompass some of the most prominent entities in the entertainment industry. Specifically, these members include Apple, Adobe, Amazon, BBC, Disney, Lionsgate, Netflix, NBC Universal, and Skydance.
CDSA and Shiba Inu aim to leverage blockchain security measures within the media and entertainment industry.
Well, that's all in Weekly Wrap for today. We will be back with more interesting updates.
Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more interesting updates and stories, log on to our website www.3versetv.io
or scan the QR code to know more. Thanks for watching.